Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. Now today students we are going to see the second type of condensation reaction that is called as Perkins condensation. Now in this condensation reaction students, what happens? Aromatic aldehyde or ketones react with aliphatic acid anhydride having two alpha hydrogen atom in presence of sodium salt of same acid anhydride to give mixed anhydride which on hydrolysis yields alpha beta unsaturated acid. Now students, that reaction we are going to see, this is the benzaldehyde which is aromatic. Now react with aliphatic anhydride students, this is aliphatic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. It will form there is a condensation will take place students. Now after the hydrolysis students, in presence of water, it will give you cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Okay students, these are very important reactions students. Now we are going to see the mechanism, how it is taking place, this reaction. Now students, when you are going to see the mechanism of this reaction students, it is involves so many steps. First step students, the formation of enolate ion, that is carbanion ion. Now in presence of salt students, the acid anhydride eliminate alpha hydrogen to give carbanion ion, so which is stabilized by enolate ion. Now this is acetic anhydride students, in presence of base sodium acetate students, what happens? There's a one of the hydrogen will be eliminated as a acetic acid. Now what happens students? There is a formation of salt. This is carbanion ion, there is Na plus. So this carbanion ion students will resonance and it will be stabilized in an enolate ion. Okay students, this way there is a formation of enolate ion, that is also called as what? Carbanion ion, which has been taking place from acetic anhydride. Now students, in second stage students, there is an intermolecular nucleophilic addition. Intermolecular means here students one more molecule will involve with the carbanions. This is carbanion students, carbanion. Now this is benzaldehyde students, which is the aromatic aldehyde. Carbanion ions add to the carbonyl carbon of aldehyde and ketone to give alkoxide ion. There is a formation of alkoxide ion. Okay students, this is the alkoxide students. Now after in third step students, when you see there is a intramolecular acylation. Now in same molecule there is a intramolecular acylation will takes place. This is the molecule base students, it will becomes like this, and there is a intramolecular acylation will takes place and it will form the cyclic intermediate, and after that it will form the this type of anions. Now what happens students, in fourth step intermolecular acylation will take place. Now one more molecule will involve students, that is acetic anhydride will come, that is why it is called as intermolecular acylation. The anion form react with the another molecules of acid anhydride. This is another molecule students to give acylated product. This acylated product students gives you, after this reaction students, this negative charge will migrate here and there is a elimination of acetate and there is a formation of acylated product. Okay students, now what happens students to this acylated product? The students, it will abstract this is the base, we call as what? Base catalyzed elimination. The hydrogen atom is eliminated from this acylated product students. There is elimination of acetic acid and acetate. Now there is after that students, hydrolysis will take place and you are getting cinnamic acid at last. This is the happening, and there is a formation of acetic acid. So this way students, we have seen the mechanism. Now students, we are going to see the some application of Perkins reaction. Now here students, in the well known very important synthesis student, that is called as coumarins. In application students, first synthesis we are going to see coumarins. Now here students, you have acetic anhydride. This is the salicylic aldehyde students, combines with, in presence of sodium acetate. There is a Perkins condensation will take place. It will form, they will condense like this. So now after that students, there is a hydrolysis will take place. Now after hydrolysis, it will form this type of compound, and then another molecule of acetic anhydride will come and it will form the coumarins. So coumarin preparation is very important students. So many product we are getting from the Perkins condensation. Now second product students that we are going to see, that is preparation of pipric acid. Now how the pipric acid is preparations for that? Here students, these two molecules, this is aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde, and this is what? Aliphatic aldehyde. In presence of base NaOH, and there is a Claisen condensation reaction will take place students, they will combine, and after that students, here the Perkins will take place. We are introducing acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate at 180 degrees Celsius. What happens students? There is a acetic anhydride will combines, and after the hydrolysis, there is elimination in presence of acetic acid, pipric acid will comes out. Now this is eliminated students. So this is a formation of pipric acid. This way we can form the pipric acid, which is very important organic compound students. Now we are going to see the third application. So we are going to apply preparation of furyl acrylic acid, which is very important students. Once again, very important compound. We are going to use, this is aromatic aldehyde students, that here heterocyclic compound, that is we call as furon 2 aldehyde, combines with aliphatic anhydride, that is acetic anhydride, in presence of sodium acetate as a base and in presence of water at 180 degrees Celsius. Perkins condensation will take place. These two molecules will combine students, and they will, after that hydrolysis will take place. When the hydrolysis will take place, there is elimination of acetic acid students. Okay students, here the acetic acid will be eliminated and you will get the furyl acrylic acid, which is very important. Once again, very important organic compound students we are using in formation of drugs. Now fourth important application students that we call as a lactone synthesis. Now here students, benzaldehyde students combines with hippuric acid in presence of sodium acetate and acetic anhydride 180 degrees Celsius. What happens students? Again the condensation will take place. On hydrolysis you are getting this type of molecules. Okay students, now on further in presence of acidic, here the Perkins condensed acetic anhydride we are using and you are getting as a lactone. Now on further you can, if you want, it will be converted into alpha amino acid. So here our product as a lactone is very important students. This way we have prepared 4 very important organic compound. These are very important students for the preparation of drugs and dyes. If you like my video, please students, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.